issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Hunt County in north-central Texas, northwestern Delta County in north-central Texas, southwestern Lamar County in north-central Texas, northeastern Collin County in north-central Texas, Fannin County in north-central Texas, until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bonham State Park, or 8 miles southeast of Bonham, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Paris, Bonham, Farmersville, Leonard, Honey Grove, Whitewright, Wolf City, Savoy, Celeste, Ector, Roxton, Trenton, Dodge City, Lake Bonham, Merritt, Randolph, Bonham State Park, Lake Crook, Sumner, and Lake Gibbons. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.